Subject teacher.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Good morning.
Excuse me, मैडम सारों को म्यूट करिए.
Excuse me.
Lecture number 1.
Dear students, kindly avoid any disturbance.
Grade 3 subject mathematics.
Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Dear students, your math class is going on. You people are now in grade 3. I congratulate all of you on your great success. Dear students, due to current pandemic COVID-19, educational activities are stopped inside the school. But we are trying our level best to teach you in a better way through online classes. Dear students, from now onward, we will follow the single national curriculum based on 2020. Yes, books are not available in the market nowadays. You people are requested to note down all the points in your rough notebooks. All of you show me your rough notebooks. Hurry up. Show me your rough notebooks. Hurry up, student. Hurry up, student. Show me your rough notebooks. Then we move to forward. Hurry up. Students. You are listening me? Show me your rough notebooks. Students, first of all of you show me your rough notebooks along with pencil and eraser, etc. Hurry up. Show me. And don't create disturbance, okay? During lecture. Hurry up. Show me your notebook. Hurry up. Where is your rough notebook?
Number. Number.
Your rough notebook, Umair Javed. Hurry up. Promesa. That's good, Umair Javed. Well done. Very good. And the remaining participants, show me your rough notebook. Hurry up. Anam. Very good. Abdullah Kamran. Good. The remaining, hurry up. Muazzam Qureshi. Well done. Saifullah. That's good. Hamza Imran. Excellent. Dua Taj. Great. Okay. That's good. Okay, students. You people avoid any kind of disturbance. Group chat during lecture. Hurry up. Avoid. Students, avoid any kind of disturbance. Means group chat during lecture. Listen the lecture carefully. If you people have any problem, listen me carefully, student. Listen me, hurry up. Hurry up. Listen me first. And if you people have any problem, you people note down in your rough notebook. At the end, question answering session, last 5 minutes, you people can ask your question. Okay. Okay. Before moving towards our topic, you people must have idea about your subject mathematics. At your level, you people know just addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Respected parents, you are also requested be silent. Cooperators, hurry up and keep silence. अगर आप खामोश नहीं होंगे तो आपके बच्चे को लेक्चर समझने में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होंगी. Kindly cooperators. Okay. What is mathematics? In your level class, up to class 1 and class 2, you people just know about addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, tables, shape, etc. But in broad view, if you people go the science that studies and explain numbers, quantities, measurement, and the relation between them. What is mathematics? The science that studies and explains numbers, digits, 1, 2, 3, this is numbers, quantity, measurement, and the relation between them is mathematics. This is the simple definition of maths. Now move toward our topic. Our today's topic is numbers. What is a number? Simple counting. A number is a mathematical object used to count, measure, and label. Original examples are the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Numbers can be represented in language with number words. Just like counting, 1, 2, you people represent any quantity. When you people count, you people write in digits. This is the mathematical way to you people write the number in digit form. And the second one, you people write also in words when you people just speak 5. This is in words. In digit, you people write in digital form. Clear? Clear, student? Okay, next one thing, you people remember that 0 to 9 are the basic digits. And all the remaining numbers, either 2-digit number, 3-digit number, or 4-digit number are made from these main digits. Just like English language, there are total 26 alphabets. But remaining all the words are made from these 26 alphabets. No more alphabets are added in making any word. Clear? And simple words. आपके पास मैथ्स में 0 से लेके 9 तक जो मेन डिजिट्स है, आप बाकी जितनी भी नंबर्स बनाएंगे, डिजिट्स लिखेंगे, काउंटिंग राइट करेंगे, आपने यही 0 से लेके 9 तक डिजिट्स ही यूज करने हैं. इसके अलावा कोई भी डिजिट नहीं है. आपने इन्हीं डिजिट्स को रिपीट करना है, आगे पीछे करके प्लेस वैल्यू करके आप लोगों ने क्या करना है, ठीक है, डिजिट्स बनाने हैं. ओके, रिप्रेजेंटेड मीन कि आप उसको जाहिर करें. एक चीज को जब आप राइट करते हैं, प्रैक्टिकली रिप्रेजेंटेशन करते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं. ओके, इसी तरह आपके पास अगर आप उर्दू लैंग्वेज पे जाते हैं, उसके पास आपके पास हरूफ तहज्जी होती है. जितने भी हरूफ होते हैं उन्हीं से फिर अल्फाज बनते हैं, लेकिन ये आपके पास बेसिक हरूफ है, उन्हीं से फिर. जस्ट क्वाइट, कीप साइलेंस. ओके, नो डिस्टर्बेंस, लिसन मी केयरफुली. ओके, सो उन्हीं हरूफ तहज्जी से फिर आप जोड़ तोड़ करके मिला के उनसे लफ्ज बनाते हैं. Same in mathematics, you people have digits 0 to 9, and then you people add 2-digit number, 3-digit number, up to so on. Clear? Okay, now it's your time. You people write any two-digit number in your rough notebook. Hurry up. Write any two-digit number on your rough notebook and then show me your rough notebook. Hurry up. Ahmed Hisham, write any two-digit number on your rough notebook and show me. So this, hurry up. Write two-digit number and show me. Qasim, Azlan Shah, write two-digit number. Yes, 32. That's good. Heba Tawheed, well done. 24. Anam Fawad, not clear, bache. Write clearly. Not clear. Not clear. Write the number clearly. 36. Husna. Good. Next one. That's good. Hamza. Well done, Hamza. 52. Muhammad Ahmad. This is two-digit number. Ones and tens. The ones place digit is 2 and the tens place digit is 5. More. Hurry up. Remaining one. Show me all of you. Hurry up. Kindly avoid any type of disturbance. Respected parents, again, kindly avoid disturbance during class.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Hello. Hello.
Okay, now you people write
Hello?
three-digit number up to 100, any number. Hurry up. Write down three-digit number. Hurry up.
The main for add representation.
जिनकी साउंड हमें आ रही है वो सारे बच्चे हमारे साथ एड है. आप लोग अपना कैमरा ऑन करें तो आप लोगों की बच्चों की जो प्रेजेंटेशन है वो हमें नजर आएगी. Show me three-digit number. Hurry up. Hurry up, students. Any three-digit number. Students, write down any three-digit number.
Three digits.
Write down, hurry up and show me.
Show
Show me your rough notebook. Show me your rough notebook. Hurry up. Show me. Where is Hamza? Where is Zainur? Shazen, Sudesh, where are you? Okay. Now move toward the next one. Digit formation. You people learned about digit formation in class 1, in class 2. We repeat it. Okay, the first one is 0. Around and around and around we go. When we get home, we have a 0. Number 1 is like keep quiet. Students, kindly keep quiet and listen me carefully. Parents, you are also requested to avoid any kind of disturbance. Number 1 is like a stick, a straight line that is very quick. Around and around. Around and back on the railroad track. 2, 2, 2. Around a tree, around a tree. Around a tree, around a tree. That's the way to make a tree. Down and over, down once more. That's the way to make a 4. Straight line down, then around, head on top. And 5 is clown. Make a curve, then make a loop. There are no lyrics to make a 6. Make a curve, then make a loop. There are no tricks to make a 6. Across the sky and down from heaven, that's the way to make a 7. Make an S and do not wait. Go back up and that's in 8. A loop and a line, that's make a 9. Straight line down, then around with a grin. That's the way to make a 10. Okay, now it's practice time. All of you are open your rough copies. Okay, and now we write digit formation. Okay, open your rough notebook and prepare your page for yourself. Hurry up. Okay, open your rough notebook. Hurry up. Prepare your page. Show me your rough notebook. Show me. Students, show me your rough notebook. मोहतरम वालिदैन, आप लोगों से गुजारिश है, स्पेशली जो बच्चों की अम्मी हजरात है, माए है, आप लोग कैमरे के सामने आए मत, क्योंकि ये वीडियोस जो है ये पूरी दुनिया में देखी जा रही है, तो काइंडली आप लोग अवॉइड करें कैमरे की तरफ आना. ठीक है, अच्छा. नो यू पीपल स्टार्ट. 0. Start writing 0. Okay, this is the page. You people write down 0, just like this. 0 in one's column. 0. Okay, not like a circle. Okay, just like this, and not like an oval shape, just simple. Then after 0, straight 1, straight line.